Welcome back, my dear students. Now we are coming to the second unit in analog communication subject. In first unit we discussed about the amplitude modulation. In amplitude modulation, the standard equation is this is the standard equation. I hope you don't forget. So this is the standard equation. Okay. In this unit we conclude in this unit we discussed about the DSBSC. It means double sideband suppressed carrier. Why DSBSC is needed? Coming to the disadvantages of the amplitude modulation, it requires more transmission power. Uh, in order to power, then automatically the bandwidth also twice of the actual message signal. So in order to overcome the disadvantages in the amplitude modulation, the next developing technique is double sideband suppressor carrier. In sometimes DSB FC in examinations, sometimes they asked DSBSC. You don't bother what is DSBSC, sorry, DSBFC, double sideband full carrier. Okay, double sideband full carrier, it means AM wave. In conventional AM wave, we know in conventional AM wave we have carrier and two sidebands. This is the equation. What is that equation? This is the equation. Wait 1 minute. This is the equation. This is the equation. Okay, you just observe in that basic equation AC cos omega c. I reread that equation. AC cos omega ct plus mu. It means in that modulation index denoted by K, we denoted by mu. M of t into AC cos omega ct. Okay, this is the actual our equation. You just remember that. Now coming to DSBSC, you just observe this equation. This part completely carrier. The next term, these two terms in the out of two terms, the first term is completely carrier. Another term mu m of t into AC cos omega ct. So this carrier sent along with that amplitude modulation wave, then it requires more power. How much of power it requires? Among 66% of power. We know, I already told about the power relations of AM wave. In that, carrier power equal to among, what is the carrier power? You don't forget, it is the carrier power. Carrier power, this is the carrier power, where AC square by 2R. Sorry. Here we observe, this is the final total power equation, PC into 1 plus mu square by 2. Okay, it means PC plus P mu square by 2. Okay, now for 100% modulation, it means under modulation. For ideally we discussed about the modulation, under modulation, over modulation, critical modulation. It means greater than 1, equal to 1 and less than 1. So for example mu equal to 1, you just substitute in this equation. It means 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2, 1.5. In the total power 1.5 PC means approximately 66% of total power, means nearly 30% of power utilized for actual transmission of the actual information, but 66 power in this case in wastage in the case of amplitude modulation wave. You just by observing these power relations in AM wave. In order to avoid all these disadvantages, we designed DSB-SC modulation. Okay, in the DSB-SC modulation, what we done means we remove the carrier. It means in the during the transmission we completely suppress the carrier, means ignoring the carrier. DSB modulators makes use of the multiplying action in which the modulation signal multiplies the carrier signal. How we get the suppressed carrier? It means if m of t is the message signal, that is m of t equal to am cos omega mt, then what is the output of DSB-SC signal means I already write the equation AC cos omega ct plus mu m of t AC cos omega ct. This is the final amplitude modulation equation. In this we want to suppress this term, first term, so we need only this term only. Okay, this term only. So what we observe here, m of t into AC cos omega ct. It means AC cos omega ct is the carrier. So m of t into c of t, that is the shown here. So we want the output as DSB-SC, it means denoted by S of t here, that S of t is c of t into m of t. So that S of t is rewritten as AC cos omega ct into m of t. This is the our equation or derivation our derivation of the DSBSC signal. Okay, DSBSC signal. So how to get this DSBSC signal using different by applying various techniques, we get this equation finally, so we let us discuss later step by step different modulators. Okay, here in the DSBSC you just observe one thing. In DSBSC, this is the waveform of DSBSC. It is more similar to amplitude modulation wave. But one thing you observe, this is the very important point in the DSBSC modulation. What is that? This is the carrier signal, this is the message signal. In the AM wave, there is no phase reversal at the zero crossing and every zero crossing. What is the meaning of zero crossing? Means here you observe, this is the message signal, here is the zero crossing, and another, this is the zero crossing. Where you cross the zero means the crosses the reference line, then in output waveform there is a phase reversal. You just observe, this is the phase reversal. This is not occurred in AM wave. In AM wave there is a continuation, but in case of DSBSC, the message signal when crosses the zero line, it like that. Actually it sends like that, but when the zero crossed line occurs, it reverses that scenario. How? When zero crossed line occurs at this point, then it again phase reversal, and it will continue in again the phase reversal. In this manner, that scenario is done here. You just observe here in these points. Okay, this is the very important point. The DSBSC, the every zero crossing of the message signal, the modulated output will be phase shifted. The phase shifted by 180 degrees. That is the phase change. This is the spectral diagram of the DSBSC waveform. In case of AM wave, this is the LSB, USB, carrier power. But in case of DSBSC, we suppressed the carrier here, FC. So FC is zero amplitude. There is no amplitude for FC. This is the FC minus FM and FC plus FM. This is the upper side band and this is the lower side band. Okay, we send only two side bands. We suppressed the carrier. That's why it is double sideband suppressed carrier. What is the use of this technique? Means we saves the amount 66% percentage of power by compared to AM wave, because in the power relation clearly states that the carrier power is played a more role during the transmission, but the only carrier component we don't need to transmission. That's why we simply ignore that carrier by this DSBSC technique. So simply we save the 66 power of 66 percentage of power by comparing AM. Then in later classes also we discussed about the power relations of DSBSC. In this section, this is the introduction about the this is the introduction about the DSBSC modulation. In the DSBSC modulation, we simply suppressed the carrier because in order to overcome the disadvantages occurs in the amplitude modulation, you just simply the point the output relation, the output equation of the DSBSB is AC cos omega Ct into m of t. How it arises means how it we take it to the equation of DSBSC means the output equation of the standard equation of the AM wave is AC cos omega Ct plus mu into m of t into AC cos omega Ct. There are two terms in the AM wave. The first term we no need to send, and we don't want to send that carrier signal in order to reduce the transmission power and bandwidth. So we suppress that carrier part means we nullify the first term. Remaining term is the m of t into m of t into cos omega Ct. So that is the C of t into m of t. So that is the final equation of the DSBSC. How this is the time domain representation. Time domain representation. Time domain representation of the DSBSC modulation technique, and this is the frequency domain representation of the DSBSC technique. So here S of t replaces as by applying the Fourier transform. We require the we get the frequency domain representation S of f equal to AC by 2 m of f minus fc plus f of f plus fc. It means the two side bands, lower side band and upper side band. These are the upper and lower side bands of the DSBSC signal. This is the frequency spectrum. This is the frequency spectrum diagrams. Okay, frequency spectrum diagrams. So just wait. Okay. This is the conclusion of DSBSC technique. The equation of the AM wave is AC cos omega Ct plus AC cos omega C plus omega m of t plus AC by 2 cos omega C minus omega m of t. This is the frequency domain representation of the amplitude modulation wave. In order to among the three terms we want only two terms LSB and MSB. That's why in this technique we suppress this part, the first term AC cos omega Ct. There are we discussed in the two forms, one time domain representation and another one is frequency domain representation. Both are same. So here the carrier component remains constant and does not convey any information. That's why the carrier is suppressed, only sidebands will be remain, and spectrum will be required the lesser bandwidth and lesser power. So DSBSC means these are double sideband suppressor carrier technique consists only two sidebands. It means USB and LSB. So power efficiency is 100%, power saving up to 66.67%. I already told in just a few minutes ago. Okay. Okay, so how to get a simple block diagram, a simple technique or simple block diagram for a DSB SC modulation is product modulator. This is called the product modulator. You just, this is the product modulator. Okay, x of t is the message signal, cos omega ct is the carrier signal. You just both multiplied the both the inputs and get the output x of t into cos omega ct. It means x of t into c of t. This is the DSB SC signal that will be transmitted successfully towards the receiver. Uh, receiver. So, not to do, this is the simple technique or simple logic for the getting the DSBSC wave. So, what is the equation? What is the equation for DSBSC is x of t. It means message signal into carrier signal. That means mu AC cos omega ct into m of t or x of t. Okay, so here in the output of the product modulator we observe here the x of t into cos omega ct means message signal and carrier signal. So that's why we consider the output of the product modulator is DSBSC signal. So this is the logic for getting the DSBSC signal. Okay, in next class we discuss about the different modulation techniques to generate the DSBSC. Okay, similar to the first unit AM and AM generations, there are square law modulator and switching modulator. Similar the as in that similar way, here also we uh, have a different modulation techniques for DSBSC also. So we in later classes we discussed about that. This is the introduction about the DSBSC and the need of DSBSC modulation technique and the logic. Okay, thank you very much.